I restarted it and it lit the device. Can you light the device again for me? You were neat. It's focusing. I think it's going to light the device up. Are you trying to light the device up? Wow. Can you make this device right here, this one? Oh, there you go. That's the one you just lit. Can you do it again for me? Without my hand being near it? You were pretty. I'm going to move it over. See that little bleep? A lot of times you're sitting here next to me. Is the green spirit orb here? Oh, I think you were the blue one. Can any spirits light the device in my hand? This one, you just get close to it. Wow, you're fast. All right, I'm going to restart. Don't light it.